Be ready. Start. To hasten the avenues for promotion in the Bihar civil services, the government has approved junior selection grade 20%, senior selection grade 12.5%, and post of senior deputy collector 2.5%. The same percentage has been applied for junior selection grade and senior selection grade in the Bihar Engineering Service. On this basis, requests have been coming from various state services associations that due to lack of opportunity for promotion in their cadres, there is stagnation which must be removed. The committee noted that all the service associations staked claims for the same percentage of the promotional posts as allowed to Bihar Civil Service and Bihar Engineering Service. Two of the reasons for stagnation noted by the committee were: one, relatively heavy recruitment of officers of the same age group in certain years; two, and lack of adequate number of promotional posts at different levels of the organizational hierarchy. The recommendations of the committee with respect to various services are in part 3 of its report. As far as Bihar Education Service is concerned, it has been discussed in para 9 thereof. To begin with, the committee dealt with the promotional chances of class 2 officers into class 1. The recommendations of the committee were accepted by the state government, and the state government finance department issued a notification dated 11/4/1977, which was subsequently published in the Gazette Extraordinary on 27/4/1977. The decision with respect to the recommendations was contained in Schedule 1 of the notification. It is the case of the petitioner Secondary School Teachers Association that, though this notification was issued by the state government on 11/4/1977, the state government took no steps to implement the same. They represented for its implementation from time to time, but that was without any effect. They learnt that one provisional gradation list was prepared in the year 1986, but it was never circulated or made known to the petitioner association. Another gradation list was prepared in 1995, and they found that the same had left out the members of the petitioner association. Two representations were once again made, including one on 25/5/1998, but that was also without any effect. Therefore, they were constrained to file the writ petition bearing number 12122 of 1998 against the state of Bihar and the concerned officers. In this petition, they specifically claimed that the aforesaid notification of 11/4/1977 contemplated a merger of their cadre into Bihar Education Service, which consists of class 2 employees, and b. that any appointment and further promotions are to be made from the combined cadre. It is relevant to note that in this petition, they specifically pleaded in para 5 that they were also selected through Public Service Commission stroke Central Selection Board, and that they also had qualifications of being graduates with necessary training, and further that from 1965 onwards they also had to have a master's degree. In para 6 of the petition, they submitted that the Saran Singh committee had recommended the merger, despite which the defective gradation lists were prepared first on 19/7/1986 and thereafter on 13/11/1995, contrary to the notification of 11/4/1977. This petition drew attention to the issue of pay anomaly. They also relied upon the notification of 11/4/1977 and prayed for preparation of a common seniority list for Bihar Education Service. Both the writ petitions were heard together. The state government did not file any counter in spite of adequate time having been granted. The learned single judge of the Patna High Court observed in his order that it appears that the orders of merger had not been issued and the matter was pending with the state government, though in the meantime separate gradation list had been published for one or the other teaching cadre. The state of Bihar felt aggrieved by this common order passed in the two writ petitions and therefore filed two letters patent appeals number 980 and 998 of 2000. The state government contended that there was no proposal to merge the subordinate teachers into the Bihar Education Service Class 2. It was further pointed out that 50% of posts of Bihar Education Service Class 2 were filled by the promotion of the subordinate teachers. This was, however, denied by the appellants herein by pointing out that factually, however, hardly any such promotions had taken place. They also pointed out that the notification dated 11/4/1977 had been implemented in other services in the manner in which they were canvassing. It is, however, seen that in spite of the orders passed as above, state of Bihar did not issue the necessary orders for merger of the subordinate cadre of teachers into the Bihar Education Service and consequential rise in pay. This led a subordinate service teacher to file a fresh writ petition. Thank you.